This is a quick tour of our Matot facility in Bellwood, Illinois from the outside, and I'm going to take you inside now. We've got a 40,000 square foot facility that's manufacturing both dumbwaiters and dampers under one roof, and it's going to get a little noisy, but I'll do what I can to speak up. All of our raw material starts as sheet steel for both dampers and dumbwaiters. All of our sheet steel is cut on the CNC plasma machine here, again for both product lines. Behind these tools up against the wall is a red machine known as a press brake that is used to form the steel that we need. So it's bending the steel into the shapes that are required for the assemblies. Behind me is the damper production area. We've got 5 dedicated work cells where dampers are being assembled. Variety of dampers in different stages of fabrication. We've got a welding robot here that is assisting with this production, especially when we build higher volume orders where we have multiple pieces of the same thing. Very handy to have. These are all dampers. I'm going to turn the corner and transition into primarily dumbwaiter assembly. This general bay is where dumbwaiter doors are assembled. Every floor is going to have a door. The area behind these blue bins is where dumbwaiter cars get assembled. The dumbwaiter car is the box that goes up and down. Behind me is our electromechanical assembly area. We also have a large paint booth. Anything that is carbon steel, not stainless, gets painted a nice battleship gray color. So here we have controllers for our dumbwaiters being built. We have wiring packages that we call a pre-wire package being assembled for our dumbwaiters. These make installation much easier for our mechanics. Everything comes pre-wired and ready to go. And at the back end of the shop, we have a crating department. Just about every dumbwaiter we build or damper we assemble is a different size, so they get a custom crate or custom skid before they go out the door. Here's a perfect example of 3 different size dampers going out for a single order. Behind it are some crates for dumbwaiters, and everything gets shipped out these shipping bay doors at the end of our facility. So if we turn around, we'll look all the way back to where we began. Walking by some finished dumbwaiter product, just to give you a feel for the scale and size of what we build and how it gets packaged. And along the wall up here, we've got some interesting dampers that have been built and are either waiting for some final components or customer money before we ship them out the door. These are round butterfly dampers here. Couple different sizes, and this is a large diverter damper or T damper that we also construct here, and all of this started as flat sheet metal and gets turned into these magnificent products at the end of the day. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.